Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix Reolink camera keeps disconnecting, Wi-Fi signal, firmware, router and Ethernet. To fix a Reolink camera that keeps disconnecting, start by power cycling both your camera and router by unplugging them for 60 seconds. If the issue persists, check your Wi-Fi signal strength, ensure your firmware is updated and test a hard factory reset. So depending on your specific camera type, follow these targeted steps. For Wi-Fi cameras, fix 1. Improve signal. If your camera is far from the router, bring it closer or install a Wi-Fi extender. If your router supports dual bands, ensure the camera is on the 2.4 GHz band, which has a longer range and better wall penetration. Fix 2. Disable auto reboot. Some Reolink models are prone to dropping connection if the auto reboot feature is enabled at a fixed time. So check your app settings and disable this feature. Fix 3. Check the power adapter. Random disconnections, especially during night vision, can happen if a camera isn't receiving enough power. Try testing a higher quality UL listed power adapter. For wired PoE cameras, fix 1. Inspect cables. A damaged Ethernet cable is the most common culprit for PoE disconnects. Test the connection with a new, known good Cat5e or Cat6 cable. Fix 2. Check the network port. Unplug the cable and plug it into a completely different LAN port on your router or NVR. For battery and solar cameras, fix 1. Examine solar panels. Solar-powered cameras may frequently go offline or refuse to charge if they are receiving inadequate sunlight, installed at the wrong angle, or exposed to freezing temperatures. Fix 2. Check battery level. If the battery drops too low, the camera will disconnect from the network to save power. Verify that the solar panel is facing true south in the northern hemisphere or true north in the southern hemisphere and is clean. For 4G cellular cameras, fix 1. Check the SIM card. Power off the camera, remove the SIM card, then wipe its gold contacts clean and firmly reinsert it. Fix 2. Signal requirements. 4G cameras require an upload and download speed of at least 12 Mbps. Ensure you are in an area with strong cellular coverage. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.